Hey there, my friends. This is the Blink outdoor camera, and as you can see, this red light is blinking. And what does that mean? Well, it probably just means, well, it means there's an error, but probably just means your batteries are dead. So basically, once I take these old ones out, make sure you're using lithium batteries in here because it doesn't like the regular alkaline batteries. Should blink a few times and then it'll go out. And when it does that, we know we're good to go. So now this is operating normally. And just in case you don't know, this is one of the old versions. The new versions have like this push down, kind of like pull out kind of spring loaded system, but this one actually has a screw. So you're gonna need a rather large screwdriver, screw that tight, and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay guys, I hope this helped you. If it did, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.